Funds have been released and the Honorable CM has given specific direction.
The RFP roads total damage 76, sir. 40 have been restored, sir.
104 calls, sir. 104 calls, 185 are received, sir. All the 185 are attended, sir. There is no pendency there, sir. Coming to distribution of 2,000 rupees immediate relief, sir. All 48,960 families are given, sir. As sir is instructed now, we will also patch up this gap, sir. There is a 50,868 we gave essential commodities. Our individual kuda migita vallu kuda ichestam, sir. These were added because of the additional requests coming from the field, sir. When we were making inspections, they were requesting us. So we consider their request, sir. These 2,000 also will be given to them, sir. Roads restoration, sir. 27 breaches are there. 15 are already restored, sir. Balance 12 kuda manaki next 2-3 days lo ayipotayi, sir.
Collectors and
Visiting, sir, every day extensively we are all touring in the affected villages, sir. Yesterday there is sir, the update చేయలేకపోయారు, sir. PR roads, ma'am, already 15 breaches are attended, ma'am, out of 27. Balance 12 also will be done in next 2-3 days, sir. R&B roads, sir, 24 breaches are there, 22 are attended. 2 మనకి ఇంకొక 1 week time పడుతుంది, sir. They are major breaches, sir. They require additional time, sir.
PR and R&B
179 are already attended, sir. Balance 71 also we are going as per the plan of action, sir. Honorable CSR is also reviewing, sir. ఇది కొంచెం వాటర్ ఇంకా ఫ్లో అవడం వల్ల కొంత డిలే అయింది, సార్. We will complete them also, sir. Work is going on, sir. On drinking water front, sir, 184 sources were reported as damaged, sir. Mostly RWS ఉన్నాయి, sir. ఇది రివర్ బండ్లో ఉండడం వల్ల సోర్సెస్ మనకు కొంత డిలే అవుతుంది, సార్. 38 ఆర్ స్టిల్ పెండింగ్. 146 ఆర్ కంప్లీటెడ్, సార్. వాటర్ రిసీడ్ అవ్వగానే 38 కూడా చేస్తాం, సార్. దేర్ వీఆర్ సప్లైయింగ్ వాటర్ టు ట్యాంకర్స్, సార్.
వాటర్ స్కేర్సిటీ వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి అది కూడా మనసులో పెట్టుకో when you are developing drinking water sources.
Sure, sir.
Especially these tanks where we have depleted water or due to breaches the water is run out. Akkada konni chotla jagrathalu teesuko.
Yes.
And long term vision kinda make sure that water is protected well. దానికి సంబంధించి ఇంతకుముందు నేను చెప్పినట్టుగా క్యాస్కేడింగ్ స్టోరేజ్ ప్లస్ కెనాల్ ద్వారా స్టోరేజ్ ఈ రెండింటి ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ మీద కూడా ధ్యాస పెట్టు. రెయిన్ వాటర్ ద్వారా ఒకసారి వాటర్ హార్వెస్ట్ చేసుకోగలగాలి. క్యాస్కేడింగ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ వల్ల వాటర్ మరింతగా స్టోరింగ్ చేసే కెపాసిటీ రావాలి. సిమిలర్లీ కెనాల్ ద్వారా కూడా ఫిల్అప్ చేసుకునే ఫిల్లింగ్ కార్యక్రమం కూడా జరగాలి. వీటి మీద కూడా కొంచెం ధ్యాస పెట్టండి, సార్.
ఎవరు రిపోర్ట్ కాలేదు, సార్. Agriculture damages and horticulture damages, sir, the enumeration is going on, sir. 14,000 is already completed, sir. Balance kuda we will be finishing in 2-3 days, sir. Whatever is completed, we have kept in RBKs for social audit, sir. Already seed is also placed, sir. 15,000 quintals mark vachindi, sir. Distribution is also happening, sir. On animal husbandry front, sir, 381 animals were reported as diseased, sir. All of them were compensated. Mottham andariki DBT chesam, sir. All accounts kuda receive ayindi, and ఈ టీఎంఆర్ కూడా ఆల్రెడీ పొజిషన్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం, సార్. మేడం మాకు ఎవ్రీడే 150 ఎంపీస్ పంపిస్తున్నారు, సార్. దట్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటెడ్, సార్. 61,134 animals were vaccinated. After 2 days there is heavy rain, sir. 27th night నుంచి we are receiving heavy rain, sir. Now situation is stabilized, sir. More or less the inflows are also coming down. It has touched around 1 lakh, sir, yesterday. And commensurately we are releasing consciously the outflows, sir. More than 27 mandals reported an average of 8 centimeters rainfall, sir, last 2 days. Now it's also raining, sir. All the 47 mandals are receiving rains. We are in touch with our state team, sir.
Of help cheyadam annadi, this has never happened before. Like paying compensation to the people who have lost their houses. Minimum kanisam oka nela pattedi. Atlantidi today we have a situation where, thanks to the efforts that you people have put in and a proactive and a positive government approach, that today you have a situation where within a week, 10 days itself, within a week itself, within 10 days itself, you have the entire compensation itself being distributed to every needy, whomsoever is in need. So much so that 1 month but 95,000 rupees compensation house damage for a fully damaged house kivali and 1 month paina batti atham ee roju it's been given in 1 week itself. గతంలో చనిపోయిన వాళ్ళకు కాంపన్సేషన్ అనే విషయం కూడా సిమిలర్లీ 1 month పట్టింది. ఈరోజు గల్లంతైన వాళ్ళకైతే there was never an issue where they were even entertained. Today what we are seeing is within a week's time, within a week, within 10 days itself, you have a situation where the entire compensation is being. So all these things were totally what were never there that have actually come into the place. Earlier, ration iste 25 kgs of ration and the kg dal, palm oil, onion, potato, whatever these things. Ivi iste chaala anukunevaru. Never was there a situation where ivi kaaka maro 2,000 rupayalu every house ki iche paristhiti gatamlo eppudu ledhu. This is also happening now, and it's also happening within a weekdays. This is also something what was never seen before. The enumeration also, as we speak, never it so happened that within the same period, oka season mugise lope ade season lone raitulaku support chese paristhiti kuda eppudu gatamlo ledhu. Today you have a situation where transparent RBKs are on the job, e-cropping is already done, mapping to e-cropping is taking place, social audit displays are taking place, and on a war footing basis, enumeration is also taking place. The status, input subsidy ravali anante, it used to take 1 year or 1.5 years, adi ivaku kodela kottu paristhitu kuda chustunam. అట్లాంటిది ఏ సీజన్ కా సీజన్కి ఇన్పుట్ సబ్సిడీ ఇవ్వాలి అని తప్పించే ప్రభుత్వం ఇంతవరకు ఇప్పుడు కూడా రాలా. Just thanks to your efforts there that on the grassroots level that you people are putting in, thanks to a very positive government also, positive government approach, what is helping the whole system deliver in a very speedy manner. So all these are new that are happening. In fact, sorry,